cat, can I please have a cat? Please?
We have a cat at home.
Oh, really?
Look at this cutie.
This is just a toy. Oh, I wish you were real. Anyway, let's give you a bath. Oh, you are alive.
Cats hate water, girl. Why are you doing this?
Huh? Achoo! Grace, is there a cat in here?
A cat? No, Dad. I was just playing with my toy. Dad doesn't have to know. You'll stay with me. Wait here. I'll build a house for you. Let's start. Bye-bye, toys. I need some room for Queenie. I don't need you anymore. Bye-bye. It will be like a castle. Of course, it has to be pink. Last brush and done. I wonder which floor the kitty would like. This grass pad will be perfect. Perfect for her. Oh, my gadgets are here. Thank you, Lala Delivery. Cat likes boxes. Let's recycle. I saw 5-minute craft for this. She needs to see everything from her house. A window is needed. Perfect. Now I'll put together the boxes to make a lot of rooms for her. She'll have a cozy new rooms. Cat loves cozy places. Oh yeah, Queenie will need a carpet. And of course paint it to look awesome. This door frame will be perfect. Oh, it looks so cute.
Wow, pink is my favorite. You have excellent taste.
What else? Oh, cat stickers. So she doesn't feel alone. So cute friends all over the tunnel. What would it feel having cute human stickers all over my room? Daddy will love it. It's a shame he cannot know. See, a perfect place for her. Woohoo! Oh, she'll need another fortress later. Wow! Ow! Sparkling water for this queen. Yep. It's so easy to install and done. Yay! Where should I put the fountain? Oh, I know. Cats love climbing up and it will look scenic. Endurance shelf. Perfect place. Turn on. Wow, it's a real fountain, but for drink. Oh, she will love it. Adding more decorations. So fluffy. Just in case someone doesn't know, fountain is for drinking. Ain't so freshy.
Who's that? No one visits us.
Hi, cat food delivery.
We don't have a cat.
It's for me. Maybe it's for this cat.
Sorry, we don't eat cat food. Bye.
But you are.
Bye-bye. Grace, cat food? Seriously?
Oh, I hope he didn't go. Wait. Oh, time to make a scratch toy. Oh, a ball and a wood base. Oh, it's heavy, but Queenie should like it. I'll build the best toy ever. Put the yarn all around the paw. We're never gonna stop doing round and round. Make sure it's tight, paint it, and put a bell on it like this. Ready? Oh, cutest and funniest toy. Queenie's going to love it. Oh, sorry, Dad.
Such an interesting book.
I'll make a bed for you, Queenie. These stockings match and a stretchy too. Let's give them a little cut. I'm pretty sure it holds Queenie. 4 parts. Now put the pillow, tie stockings, and a perfect hammock. Ready to stretch. Hang it up. Whoop. And your friend for Queenie. Ain't so cozy. What smells like that? Smells awful. You need a fridge. Luckily, I got this mini fridge. It was for parties, sudden snacks. Its lights are awesome, but food needs it more. Anyway, you got here. And plants too. Like a kitchen spot. Oh, I'm so good at it.
Hey!
Oh, Queenie!
Come and spoil me.
I'll make you a TV. Oh, I have a great idea. Here, I created a TV. With cardboard. A pink cardboard. I'll make a frame for the iPad. Of course, stickers can be missed. See? Join them. And have some movie nights here. Here can be the living room. Now, this one. Yay! Your new fluffy toy. Perfect for a TV room. Final sticker. Ains. Such a good sofa. Now, let's see how cat scent works. So, the liquids get solid. And with the plastic shovel, no. With this special gadget. Let's get the liquid off. Shake, 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 and trash it into the bag. The worst part, take out the bag and trash it. I really love you, Queenie. Luckily someone makes gadgets like this, huh? Let's keep going. Oh, sweet, sweet candies, yummy. A jar? Oh, I can make something with this. Candies will wait. I need some water for it. I'm sure it will look great. Aquariums are awesome. Decorative rocks. A must in any aquarium. Some fake plants. Well accommodated. And these little guys, of course. Ah, just toys. Yay! All of them in.
No!
Wow! I made it, Queenie!
Well, at least it's well decorated.
What will I use this for? I know! A fluffy pool for her! Here it will be perfect! Let's fill it with the colorful fluffy balls! Great! So cute! More toys for you! This avocado roll will make you feel better! I'll set in the playroom! Oh, and of course we can't miss a great picture! Here on the top shelf, babe! And a disco ball for our late night parties! Queenie! Queenie! Time for party! Disco ball room tour! Yay! Fountain for drink water. Echoes in a bumping bed. Kitchen spot with plants. The best TV cat room ever! An ultra-modern playroom full of color! Wow! And I have more! This scratching ball that I bought online. It even has a wooden base. Scratch a rolling toy for the best cat! We also have this techno toy for you. Turn it on and enjoy! Oh, if we put it in the ground, it still moves. You'll have hours of fun! Oh. What's this for? It's not working.
Here I go, round, round, bad girl, ha, ha.
Ow! What?
Oh, hi.
It's a robot toy.
It's playtime, ha, ha, ha. Uh-oh, I'm getting dizzy.
Enough. Last toy. It's heavy. Not the techno. Wow. So expandable. Wow. You can make any form. A circle is the right form, and now the little ball can roll, and it still expands. It's really fun. It's for cats, no for kids. Oh, you asleep.
My room done.
All this is for you.
This castle for me. Wow, girl, you are really good at it. A hammock? Cool. Oh, I want to cry. Not even Hello Kitty has this tunnel. Oh, what this purple and shiny thing. I just want to hit it all day long. A ball inside the cardboard, genius. Where it goes. Oh, my dog, I don't know where to start. My own fluffy ball. You really think on everything. Now let's try other room. Oh, I love you, sweetie TV room toy. And if I get thirsty, I have a fountain. I mean it, Grace. Great TV room. What? Fresh cat food? Wow, I'm in heaven. Fishes are weird, but no one is perfect. What's this? Ah, you're alive. Okay, let's try the tunnel. Is there no privacy here? So cozy, really cozy.
Oh, she likes it so much.
Grace?
Oh.
What's this?
I built it.
Let me see.
Please do not scream.
It's amazing! A butterfly!
Oh.
What's in there?
No.
Huh? What?
What? Privacy, please.
Oh,
It's so cute!
no. Really?
Achoo! I will need my medication.
Yay.